Sharpen your skills, your tools and resources, and you will be more productive. So hello friends, myself Sushil, and in content to that I would like to share you one small story. There was one woodcutter and he used to cut the wood and provide to the industry. So he was working in one of the industry where he was providing the wood. So on a daily basis he used to provide the wood to the industry, and his life was very happily. From the day to night he was working, he was getting that enough daily wages, and he was feeding his family. Now and he was almost working there for about 5 to 6 years. Now what happens, like in the same industry, in the same company which he was working, the new woodcutter was appointed. Now both the woodcutter was working the same, but down the line after 1 or 2 years, the woodcutter who was newly appointed, he got promoted, and at the same time his salary was increased. So the old woodcutter was very surprised. He was wanted to know why that new woodcutter, the salary was increased, he got the promotion, and why not me? Because I am serving this industry for the last 5 to 10 years, and I am not getting promotion. But why that old woodcutter, the new woodcutter, had got the promotion? So he was very anxious and he wanted to know. So he suddenly go to the boss and ask the reason why it is so that the new woodcutter is getting more salary and promotion, and why not me? So the boss replied, the wood which he is which he is providing us, it is more than 3 times which you are providing. So the old woodcutter was like surprised. He was not knowing what to say, and then he replied, like, I am also working the same from day to night, and how is it possible he is giving you more 3 times? I would have to check it out. So what he did, he went to that new woodcutter, and when he was cutting the wood, he was seeing that new woodcutter was very smoothly and very fast was cutting the wood. So he was surprised and he wanted to know how you are cutting that wood so fast, how is it possible? So that new woodcutter said, it's nothing like that, I am just cutting the wood and it's getting cutted, but still I am very surprised. So the new woodcutter told that old woodcutter, you try and let me see. So the old woodcutter was trying to cut the wood, but it was not cutting fast, it was taking time to cut the wood. Then the new woodcutter was surprised, and he was not understanding what is the problem. Then after 5 to 10 minutes he realized, and then he come to know the axe which he used to cut the wood, that axe was not sharpened. Yes, the axe was not sharpened, and that's the reason the wood was not cutting properly. So the new woodcutter told to the old woodcutter, before cutting the wood, daily half an hour I am sharpening my axe, and that's the reason my wood are been cutting faster than you. So he told that old woodcutter, when did you sharpen your axe? So he told, like, it almost 5 like I can say 5 months before. So the new woodcutter was surprised. He was saying, how it been so long time you have not sharpened your axe. So how is it possible that the wood can be cut faster? So do one thing, on the daily basis in the morning, before cutting the wood, sharpen your axe at least half an hour and see the result. So my friends, in the same way in our life also, you have to sharpen your skills, you have to sharpen your knowledge. There might be, you must have seen that the new joining or the new employee which is coming after you, but they are getting promotion, but they are getting the salary. Why? Because they are sharpening their skills, they are sharpening their knowledge. In the same way, you have to sharpen your knowledge. There are many people who have been in the same industry for a longer time, but they are not getting promotion because they are not giving the result to the company. Why they are not providing the result? Because they are not sharpening their skill, they are not sharpening their knowledge, they are not updating their knowledge, they are not updating their skills, and that's the reason they are lacking behind. So my friends, I would like to tell you here, always on a daily basis, you have to sharpen your skill, you have to sharpen your knowledge. try to learn new things. It's not that you already have studied. Be a learning person. Yes, the life in the throughout the life you have to learn, because that is the only thing which will take you ahead. Grasp more and more knowledge and will take you more and more things. So this is the one small thing I would like to tell you.